Wait, does your German Shepherd make weird mystery noises at night? Like random grumbles, huffs, or tiny woofs at absolutely nothing? Hit like and subscribe if your dog does this too. German Shepherds are super vocal dogs. They don't just bark, they communicate with grunts, whines, sighs, and little talking sounds. A lot of the time, those noises mean they're reacting to sounds we can't hear. Their hearing is way more sensitive than ours. Sometimes they're also just bored, excited, or trying to get your attention like, "Hey, human, I exist." And yes, sometimes they even make noises while dreaming. So, if your German Shepherd sounds like it's having a secret conversation with the air, don't worry. They're just being dramatic. And very talkative. Like, comment and subscribe for more amazing dog facts.